Hey, so I have another unboxing here of the Cyberpower battery backup with surge protection. Got this at Memory Express. It's one of their UPSs, which are uninterruptible power supplies. Essentially, what it does is keeps your equipment, keeps your machine and monitors and everything that's hooked up to it on, even when you don't have power on. Essentially, like it says, it's a battery backup. So it stores a bit of energy so that you're still able to save all your stuff on your machine. Or in my case, sometimes my power is unreliable and it goes out for that brief little second, and that little second might not matter, but over time it does have an impact. So I'm just going to do an unboxing here for you guys. So let's zoom out. And here's the back. We got the LED that illuminates during normal power conditions. Basically, this shows the status of what the power supply is at. Let me zoom in for this as well. So we have another thing here, circuit breaker, reset button, so fast recovery from an overload, and 4 full-time surge protected outlets. So these are all good for plugging in your devices that you need surge protection. And also this one too, I guess this one's the same. 4 full-time battery powered and surge protected outlets. So I guess these are battery powered, these are just surge protected. Either one works. I'd probably use these. The only difference is I believe you have to consider that when you're using the battery for this, it lowers the life expectancy, or the lifetime of this device. So you'll have to replace it sooner if you use these more often than you use these. But for my PC, of course, I'll be hooking up to this side. And we also have some phone line protection. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this for anything. I'm not sure how to route anything here, but this might come in handy as well. We got a wiring fault indicator light that illuminates when a wiring problem exists, and I guess that's useful as well because sometimes the wiring does cause problems. I haven't encountered any yet, but that may happen. We have a USB port as well here, and it's there essentially for the software. I think this is, it monitors your PC, and if you're inactive for more than an hour, whatever you set to, it automatically shuts down your computer for you. That may be the case, I'm not sure, but that's pretty much it. And at the top you can see that it is an all-in-one computer. All-in-one computer. So the battery backup, it runs your all-in-one computer for 25 minutes. A basic desktop computer with LCD screen. So with LCD screen, 10 minutes. Gaming system, 5 minutes. So my system's going to be a gaming system. And of course I have 750 watts. This is only 200 watts. My power supply on my PC is 750. It doesn't consume all of that. I think when I checked it, it used maybe 200 max so far. Of course, when your power does go out, obviously you wouldn't be gaming for a long time, so try to keep it down to just this amount. So basically your normal tasks, and then you'll have 5 minutes to save all your work and shut it down. So and here's all the information. Now let's get down to the unboxing. Green power UPS technology. So it's green, energy saving. zoom out for this. So everything's enclosed in styrofoam. Okay, super squeaky. I hate this styrofoam. Here we have a bag with the USB to connect to your computer and get your software. We also have important note here. Turn on off, press and hold the power button for 2 seconds. Plug in for 8 hours to charge. UPS may not turn on or provide battery power until the battery is charged. Don't return the product to store. If you have problems, just contact them. Use your manual installing your UPS. So you plug it in, and oh, here's some instructions for the phone line. So the basic operation, troubleshooting, definitions for LED indicators. So that's pretty important. Power on. There's a wiring fault, so there's a warning sign, and also the alarm. I don't know what that is. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. And technical specs. A block diagram, cool. So, main things here. Again, if you guys need to unbox one of these as well, this comes in. These two are separated by that styrofoam, and there's a small entrance here for this to slide in. I find that to be very, I don't know, it's just not a good design, because as you noticed, there was a lot of squeaking, and I just hate that part of this. So unless if they could detach this or something like that, I hope they could find less squeaky styrofoam without bumping the price up to a lot. And yeah, I got this for $60. I think it's just an investment to keep your equipment just better over time. So this is the cable, and this is the power supply. So it's actually quite big, and here's 2 bananas for scale. So it's quite big. And see here. So again, here's a phone line. Here's the outlets. And yeah, it's pretty properly labeled. Surge battery, just surge. And plug in for 8 hours to charge first. Don't plug in anything before that, I believe. And then turn it on. Hold power for 2 seconds. So I don't know if I need to power this before plugging it in. I'll try that out and let you guys know. And here we have wiring fault. Let's see. I can zoom in. It's right there. We have a wiring fault. And we also have the reset button. On the bottom, nothing. Left and right, nothing. And the back, not really much to see. So, zoom out. So, as that concludes our unboxing. I'll be using this very shortly. Charge it for 8 hours and then plug in all my stuff. I'll see you guys next time.